So here I have the Glock 47 or the G47 9mm. I've already taken the GSL Technologies Stealth 9mm barrel extender off there. So I'm going to show you how to field strip this son of a bitch. You ready? Alright, so always make sure you got a clear gun. Definitely clear the chamber. Alright, so you're going to pull this slide back just barely. Sometimes when you field strip a Glock, you have to pull the trigger. So I got the slide off. So I'm gonna lay the part of the pistol down. Okay. Next, you got the slide off. So to take the barrel off, you're gonna remove the spring. And push down on the barrel. With this one, this is a threaded barrel. So I have to remove the thread cover to remove the barrel, and once I do that, the barrel just slides right out. I can lay that down. You can see I've shot it a few times, so my hands are already dirty, but that is how you field strip a Glock 47.